What's up everyone? In this video we will discuss about the pros and cons when day trading. So if you're interested in this topic, let's hop right into it. Alright, so since you decided to stay and watch this video till the end, it means that you want to become a day trader or you are currently a day trader. Okay, so let's discuss about the pros and cons when day trading. Well, as a pro, as a major pro, you will get trades every single day, okay? Because it means that if you're a day trader, a intraday trader, it means that you focus on these time frames, like the 30-minute, the 15-minute, the 5-minute is already for scalping, I would say. But most of the day traders focus on the M15 and the 30-minute chart every single day to get entries on multiple pairs, okay? So this is a massive pro because every single day you will have setups to take, okay? Whereas if let's say you are a swing trader, there might be days where you won't have any setups and you won't be able to place any trades, okay? So this is a major pro for day traders because they can trade literally every single day, and this is super cool. But next up, we have a downside to day trading, and that is time. You gotta ask yourself, do you have the time to be a day trader? Because I don't know if you understand, but if you decide to go on this route and become an intraday trader, it means that you have to spend at least, I would say, 2 hours in front of the charts every single day. And I know that a lot of you might have full-time jobs, might have families, kids to take care of, a lot of other stuff to take care of, and 2 hours a day in front of the charts might be a lot for you. Okay, and you gotta ask yourself. You gotta ask yourself, because if you don't have at least 2 hours, I would say, then in my opinion, you should consider in becoming a swing trader, where you basically play some setups at the beginning of the week based on a analysis you made, and then let them play out towards the end of the week. This will let you stay in front of the charts a lot less than if you want to become a day trader. Okay, so this is a downside of day trading because you have to spend a lot of time in front of the charts. I said minimum 2 hours, but me personally, I spend between, I would say, 3 to 4 hours every single day, but I would say 3 hours is a sweet spot. Okay, but I would say at least 2 hours. If you don't have 2 hours every single day from Monday till Friday to sit in front of the charts and do nothing else but trade, then I'm sorry, but you should consider swing trading instead, because it's going to be too noisy for you. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. It's gonna be too noisy, like trying to day trade, trying to be on the M15, catching setups, and trying to do something else, handle other stuff. Trust me, it's super hard, and it's not gonna benefit you at all if you try to do multiple things at a time. If you don't have the time, then just focus on swing trading. You can still make profits that way. Okay, so also, if you're interested in swing trading, I will have a video pop up on the screen right now with a very cool swing trading strategy. So go ahead, check it out if you want to, if you don't have the time for day trading. Now, day traders, let's continue with other pros and cons. What else? Well, another pro I would have is that you can have daily targets. Okay, you can have daily targets. Well, what does that mean? Well, it means that you can aim for a certain profit or a certain number of trades that you want to win in a day, and after that certain number gets hit, then you can just stop for that day. Let's say, I don't know, I'm gonna give an example now. Let's say you have a 2% goal or a 1% goal in a day trading. Let's say you hit that 1% goal in your first 30 minutes. That means that you're done for the day after those 30 minutes, which is super cool. And this is another major pro for day trading, because let's say if you're a swing trader, you cannot have that. You cannot have a daily goal, because as I said, if you're swing trading or on the daily or on the 4-hour, trades will take also days to trigger, to play out. They will take days to play out. So you cannot be like, oh, I want to make this amount every single day if I'm swing trading. No, you can't do that. But with day trading, you can. Okay. Another downside, I would say that can be psychology, especially for beginners. I think that day trading is a lot harder than swing trading. Why do I say that? Because in the beginning, since you are day trading on the M15, on the 30-minute, as I mentioned, you will get entries every single day. And as a beginner, the FOMO is very big. What do I mean by FOMO? It's that sensation when you lose a trade and you want to be into another trade straight away to make that money back and add some more profits. And it's very, very bad for you, because I went through this as well in the beginning and I blew some accounts till I decided to stop it. I was literally FOMOing into trades, into day trades, just because I wanted to be in a trade and to feel like I have a chance to make the money back and add some profits. So I would say that day trading isn't really beginner friendly. I say that swing trading is more beginner friendly, because if you're not disciplined, especially in the beginning, if you don't have a trading plan, if you're not disciplined, I certainly didn't, and I lost a lot of accounts till I started to be disciplined. Okay, so now you either have two routes. You decide to become a day trader straight away if you have the time. Okay, as we discussed, time is the most important aspect for day trading. But you also need to have discipline if you want to start day trading as a beginner, because it can be tough. Okay, if you don't have discipline, trust me, it's going to be very, very hard for you to be consistent. So you have two options. You either have time and discipline and you start with day trading straight away, or if you don't have one of those two, because you need to have both, you need to have discipline and also time. If one of these two is missing, then just stick to swing trading for a while. It's no shame, literally. Like, there's so many profitable traders out there, full-time traders that only swing trade. But I know that most of the people want to day trade. They want to have setups every single day, and of course I get why. Me personally, I am also a day trader. I also have setups every single day, so I understand your feelings. Okay, so that's exactly why I decided to make this video. All right, and to be honest, this pretty much sums it up for today's video. These are basically my opinions. You literally have pros and cons for every single style of trading, in my opinion. Okay, every single style of trading, doesn't matter if it's scalping or swing trading, they all have their pros and cons. And if you guys are interested for me to do a pros and cons video for swing trading and also for scalping as well, please let me know in the comment section. I will consider doing it for the upcoming weeks for sure. Okay, because I know that a lot of you also want to be scalpers and want to know my opinion on it. So if you do, please let me know in the comments that you want a video on this in the future, and I will make it happen. Okay, guys? So to sum it up, basically, the pros of day trading are that you will get trades every single day, and that you will also be able to establish daily targets. And as downsides, you will need time to sit in front of the charts in order to day trade. And also the second downside is that it's less beginner friendly. So I would suggest, if you're a beginner, to start by swing trading. That's just my personal opinion. But at the end of the day, guys, this is all your decision. I am not a financial advisor. This is literally just my opinion, so don't take this for granted. Make sure to stick to your plan, do your own research, but please make sure you're always disciplined and you use proper risk, okay? Because I went through this, and you guys can avoid going through blown accounts and all that bad stuff and get straight to the good part if you are disciplined, okay? And yeah, that being said, please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed content like this. If you guys click on my channel, you will see that I post content like this every single week regarding strategies, regarding psychology, regarding crypto as well. So if you're interested in this topic, make sure to stay subscribed. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.